Kakaboy, Kakaboy, Kakaboy. Hey guys, welcome back to In the Life of Nella. Welcome back to my kitchen. If I fall on this floor, we can just make it a monument. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. So you've liked, you subscribed, you're sharing. I really appreciate that. But right now, I just got back from work. The only thing I took out is my fish that's been seasoned and habanero fresh from the store. But before anything, I'm just gonna take this bottle of wine. And I wash my hands real quick. And then I'm gonna pour myself a glass. After a long day, you just want to intertwine. Yeah. Cheers to all my subscribers, viewers, liker, commentator, and people who likes to repost. Thank you so much. So, Tuzakoya, Kakaboy, Kakaboy. To benani na kwa, to boni ne lokote, ba pe basu. Ok, welcome back. Bienvenue dans ma cuisine là. Je suis en train de préparer quelque chose pour vous là. Les Liboke, ça j'ai préparé. Tout ça, c'est quoi? Non, ça ne va pas. Mais malheureusement, ma casa, il y a nino. Ma casa. I don't have plantain leaves. I think that is so bad. So we're gonna do this real quick, right? So I'm gonna move my camera close to me. I have an empty bowl. This is just to help me form what I need. I'm gonna use a heavy duty aluminum foil. Heavy duty. Heavy duty. Maybe I shouldn't be cooking. So when I'm wrapping my fish, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my oven before you turn the oven, avo fungo lango. You have to check. Then we're gonna pop it at 400. So, 400 degrés, là-bas. Et puis ici, je vais mettre mes sucres. So, I'm gonna take this, break it apart, since I don't want to put it straight into the oven. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill this with water. Some warm water. I'm just gonna fill this up. So give my koi. Tobeta nani. Tobeta ti. Okay, that's enough water. I'm just gonna dump a little bit out. Too much. You don't have to do this. You can just go ahead and wrap the Liboke. Quand on come maman, faut que tu en oven. But ceci c'est facile pour moi. Comme ça, la chaleur de l'eau, quand ça brouille, ça va aider le poisson à bien se préparer. So comme ça, when the water boil, I cannot talk today. When the water boil, it rises up and help the fish cook. The fish will be sealed inside aluminum foil. So I'm gonna set this to the side. Right here. So now, okay, so I'm gonna put the fish to the side right here. I'm gonna wash like maybe 2 of these. Pepe bape sayo tum. Benanino na kwen. Ozanena lokote, batata na kukute, bayebiku na koi baka kakosting. Where's my paper towel? You mano kaka. Okay, take aluminum foil. See the aluminum foil? You see it? You see it? It's heavy duty. Take it. Get the empty bowl. Any bowl you have that you feel like will be good enough to make this thing. So, you know, about this long. You see it? You know, so the length, if you want to be technical, just hit the length of your arm. You know, from here. I'm not saying that thing. But take this, put it right in the middle. Give it like a formation. Et down, put it on a carte. Si ta money na come si bon, is un bon. Do the same thing. Tu fais la même chose. Maintenant, au lieu que tu vas comme ça, tu vas comme ça. Oh, this thing's loud as hell. This is why I like something better. Look at my carte. So if you feel like you're gonna put more than a few fish, I would recommend adding another one. And my fingernail just went through and forced your hole. No, but oh, from there, don't forget to make sure before you take it out. Avant de l'enlever, mixer mon anneau. Baloler bien. Après ça, I like head. I'm not going to now I'm to more corps. I'm gonna put the head and then the middle part in one of those aluminum foil. And I'm just gonna put sauce over it. And then I'm gonna actually put a whole fish in there. Let's do this. Now chamumba. Okay. So back to soup, we add the sauce in there. So, juste en faire un, parce que l'autre, je vais remettre ça au congélateur et puis je vais recongeler ça. I'm gonna put the rest in the freezer. My freezer. So this is what the rest is. Like that. So, put this to the side. I'm gonna freeze it. I'm gonna put it in a container. I'm gonna freeze it. So, do not do this. The little bit of my wine that I have left, right? My baron carte. Allez. As you pili, I'm gonna take a whole big habanero. I'm gonna puncture it. Remember to wash your hands. I'm gonna put it in the middle. So, I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. This is what it looks like. So don't do this at home. So, I already know my fish. I want it to like really be seasoned well. Voilà, ça me baisse dans la assaisonnement. J'ajoute un peu de sel. Ça c'est option. Tu peux pas faire ça donc t'as limité. So, how you cook, c'est à toi de décider. So, je vais essayer de wrap Ngolo. So, aujourd'hui, Ngolo. Take the top part. You wrap it really well. You hold the bottom here. You see me on a baloli. You fais la même chose. Do it for all three. Or if you have four, it's all for quatre. Et voilà. Les Liboke est râpé. Tu vois? C'est joli, non? It's so cute. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven. Comme ça, tu vois là, on a mis de l'eau. So I'm just gonna put it right on top of our water. And once my oven beep, it's preheating. Once my oven beep, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. So right now, it's about 400. It's still heating. You know what? I don't feel like waiting. So I'm gonna pop it in the oven. Et voilà. Montre moi dans la carte. So ça va plein de résidus ça. And then you close it. And voila! Tosé là. Hey, yo, tapez ça, yo. Tosé là. Hey, Liboke n'a visto. So, our fish is cooked. I cooked it for 20 minutes, 25 minutes-ish. Because I was doing some work, I couldn't come down. So I turned off the oven. And then I went ahead and boiled some plantain, which I'm going to drain the water. Oh, man. Whew. So, put it right over there. So, all right, let's see. A, B, D. Mama nang kami sabi, yape, bape, saya. Ah! Seigneur. Seigneur. Tulog ka na, no? This is cook. This is on a soup now. Oh, ow. Mama lang aja. Pili. Busan na. I gotta try one more. Well, this is my finishing product. I want to dump it in another plate, so I'm just gonna keep it in here. And this is my boiled plantain. And of course, you know me well. I cannot just sit back and just enjoy the food without something else. Since I couldn't do it, I have Stella Artois. So from my kitchen to yours, cheers and bon appetit. Actually, before you guys go, oof. Hold on. What's this? I need to lose weight, but who's counting? Doing this angle. Ha.